What's going on, believers? My name is Believes. I'm here to talk to you about Ethereum for a little bit today. We're going to take a few seconds right now because there's a big merger coming, and we are 6 days away from the POS merger. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the price action chart for Ethereum. And I guess you can sum this up with go home, Ethereum, you're drunk. We have been trading up and down for the last little while. Now, this actually looks like we are starting to have a bounce off of this lower level right here. We tested 1750 and it immediately bounced back up and pushed us back into the 18s. 1850 coming in as the high, not yet 19, but let's go back and let's remember just a short while ago, we were trading in the 19s. And it was a whole lot higher. So I think that we still got some very nervous sentiment yesterday. We had a great day in the overnights with the Asian markets and the European markets and the Middle Eastern markets before America woke up and screwed everything up with their Jeep behavior. I don't know what to say about the American markets anymore other than the Chad bros are running scared. And I don't know that there's an immediate fix. The best thing that I can say is the meeting with Jerome Powell, if successful, and if they make some kind of statement or if they do anything in a positive or make some kind of leading statement to indicate that maybe they're going to back down on their hawkishness and present a more dovish sort of approach, then maybe we'll start to see these markets move. But the stock market and thus the crypto market, which are right now inextricably linked, will continue to show problems, and there's no real easy fix. But the important news of the day is this: the Ropsten merge announcement is happening right now. A new beacon chain is launched today, and the merge is expected around June 8 on the network. Now, if the Ropsten goes very well on this merge, then that means that we will have a live proof of stake on June the 8th. And as it cascades out everywhere, what we're going to quickly see is we're not going to see a change in price because there is no sharding. The blockchain is still going to have the same formation that it had before. So we're not going to see a relief in the price action, but once the sharding is implemented, we are going to see a massive reduction in the fees for Ethereum. So something good is on the horizon. Having a little patience in order for us to get there is going to be imperative at this point. Moving on. So guys, the levels of support right now are being tested, and it is expected that we are going to see a $1,200 Ethereum very, very soon. I know that's not the number. I know that's not what anybody wants to hear, but that is the way the numbers are playing out right now. Nervous sentiment, whatever it is that you have, remember that Ethereum is the future. Proof of stake renders many of these other chains obsolete. Remember that. Don't forget that some of these other chains came up because they use proof of stake and their fees are low. What do you think is going to happen when Ethereum is also proof of stake and you don't need to go to alternative chains anymore, and you don't need to bridge, you don't need to move around? You can just go to Ethereum and get it all done, and that's where everybody's trading already. You tell me what you think is going to happen, because I know what's going to happen. Ethereum is going to dominate. This is not financial advice. My name's Believes, and I'm always right. I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I want to be shining.